Hello, welcome to ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Protoje drops a family featuring Jesse Royal. Today, fans were treated to the digital release of the track and official visuals. In the video, Protoje showcases his loved ones in a series of vignettes and is seen rolling through the streets of LA with his friends. Family, the Ayatosh-produced bop, is the third single following Hills and Ancient, stepping from his anticipated sixth studio album, slated for release September this year via Indignation Collective and RCA Records. Now, Protoje just announced his Lost in Time tour scheduled for this September, which will see Lila Ike and Jesse Royal joining him on the road. Gospel artist Papasan is sure to surprise fans with the trap dancehall songs on his album set for release this Friday. The songs were previewed by ePrime off the album Life Lessons and sees a blend of trap dancehall, and reggae-infused rhythms and flow. However, it's all geared with a message to win souls for Christianity. The album leads off with a story, a rapid freestyle that juxtaposes two stories that revolve around making choices in life. Track 5, None Like You, is a hardcore pulsating dancehall beat that marches listeners to altars, while the pre-released title track Lessons is a reggae revival. Take a listen to Lessons. Life Lessons will more appeal to Gen Z gospel music listeners and will be available across all digital platforms tomorrow. Now, the Love is Rock king Beres Hammond will hit the road this weekend for the start of his Solid Love tour. The concert tour, which kicks off in New Haven, Connecticut on Friday, will make stops in 13 U.S. cities. Beres is known for his hit tracks like Tempted to Touch, Putting Up a Resistance, Come Back Home, and Double Trouble. Wayne Wanda is holding on strong as his 2002 international crossover hit, No Letting Go, has been certified gold in the United States. The certification, commemorating sales exceeding 500,000 units, was issued on Wednesday by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA. Wayne, in a release from VP Records, said that, quote, "The feeling is amazing. The song came from a genuine place in my heart," end quote. No Letting Go is featured on the popular Diwali rhythm by producer Stephen Lenky Marsden. I'm Daedran Gordon reporting for ePrime. Thank you for watching. Be safe.